Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A14. First of all, let me tell you whatever language you have on your phone right now with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in that tutorial will be always the same. Okay, first of all, we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, then tap here on the symbol for the settings. It's always here at the corner, no? Then you need to scroll down to the point, General Management. It has a gray icon here in front with some white stuff to adjust in it. And now you will need the first point, language. And yeah, now you are in the language settings and maybe you have here already a list, like in my case. No? And if your language is here part of that list, maybe like in my case, Deutsch, so German, then tap on that language and go on the blue button to apply. And now the language has changed. Okay, let me turn it back into English again, because I want to show you what to do if your language is not part here of the list. I think you can imagine it already. We will need the green plus symbol here to add a language. So tap on the green plus symbol here to add a language. And now you can choose one of many languages here. And yeah, let's keep going on maybe with English to follow the video better. And in the second step, you can now choose also a local dialect. Let's take the dialect here from South Africa. It's like Whittings, by the way. And then you need to tap here that set as default, so the most white one. And then immediately your chosen language is here the first language of the phone. So in my case, English with the dialect of South Africa. Okay, pretty easy as you can see. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.